Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your password on Tubi. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your password on Tubi's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in tubitv.com and make a search. The official page of Tubi's account will appear on the screen. Sign into your account using your login credentials and the home page of Tubi's account will appear on the screen. From the home page, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down, tap on Account Settings. Scroll down and under Change Password section, enter your current password, create a new password and confirm your new password by re-entering it and then tap on Change Password. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can change password on Tubi's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.